Welcome back to Lexus of Royal Oak. We are located at 7677 112th Avenue, Northwest Calgary, Alberta, in the Northwest Auto Mall. Here we have one of our Royal Advantage pre-owned units. It is a 2015 NX200T S Sport Series 2 in the atomic silver finish. All vehicles purchased at Lexus of Royal Oak come with an automatic enrollment into our Royal VIP Rewards program. This vehicle is a one-owner vehicle. Some of the features include the aluminum roof rails, LED headlamps with the auto leveling headlamp system, LED daytime running lights, LED fog lights, headlamp washers, F-Sport front grille, front and rear park assist sensors, keyless entry with the push-to-start ignition, automatic high beam, park assist sensors, blind spot monitor with the rear cross traffic alert, power liftgate, pre-collision, center locking differential, heated steering wheel, driver's seat memory seating, power adjustable front seating, power tilt and telescopic steering wheel, hands-free controls, lane departure alert with steering assist, dynamic radar cruise control with the pre-collision, multimedia display with navigation and the integrated backup camera, heated front seats, drive mode select with the Sport Plus, which includes the adaptive variable suspension, head-up display, remote touchpad, QI compatible wireless smartphone charging, sunroof, real red interior, in great shape, and of course comes with the built-in legendary Lexus quality, reliability, and lowest luxury cost of ownership. To find out more on this vehicle, visit us at lexusofroyaloak.com or give us a call to schedule a test drive today at 403-296-9600.